Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the images you want. Put them in a single folder so Windows can read them sequentially. Next, open Settings directly from the desktop. Right-click, choose Personalize, then select Background. Choose Slideshow as the background type. This tells Windows to rotate images. Once done, click Browse and pick the folder you created. This links the image set to the slideshow so Windows will cycle them automatically. Now you control how the slideshow behaves. Set the time interval for image changes, short for dynamic wallpapers, longer for less distraction, and use Shuffle if you want random order. Make sure to pick the image fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, so pictures display correctly without awkward cropping. If you're on a laptop, adjust the battery setting so the slideshow pauses on battery power to save energy. These settings determine both appearance and system impact, so choose based on your priorities. Finish by saving changes and closing settings. The slideshow should begin immediately. If images don't appear, confirm they are supported formats like JPG, PNG, or BMP. Convert any hike or RAW files first. Also make sure the folder is accessible. Windows needs read permission, so move images out of protected directories if required. If the slideshow still fails, check Power Options because Windows may pause slideshows on battery or when in high-performance modes. Adjust accordingly and then reapply the slideshow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.